Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a kitchen gadget lover or just someone looking to seriously upgrade your cooking game, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 15 best Amazon Prime Day deals specifically on Ninja kitchen products. And trust me, these deals are hot. From smart ovens and high-powered blenders to air fryers and coffee makers, Ninja has become a household name for a reason. And for Prime Day 2020, let's kick it off with the Ninja 6-in-1 Air Fryer. This machine lets you cook 2 foods at once with its dual 5QT baskets, perfect for large meals or picky eaters. With 6 cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and keep warm, it's like having a mini kitchen in one device. It's great for families or those who love hosting. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. It also features smart finish technology, so both baskets finish cooking at the same time. If you haven't upgraded to a dual-zone fryer yet, now's your chance. This one is a Prime Day favorite with thousands of 5-star reviews. Next up is the Ninja 5-in-1 Indoor Grill. Not only does it grill perfectly indoors, but it also air fries, bakes, roasts, and dehydrates. It's smoke-controlled, dishwasher-safe, and fits up to a 3-pound roast, ideal for quick family dinners. You get authentic char-grilled flavor with coffee lovers. The hot and iced coffee maker is a game changer. It brews classic hot coffee or refreshing iced beverages, and it works with both ground coffee and pods. Plus, it has a built-in filter and sleek design that looks great on any counter. With a 12-cup carafe and dual brew pro system, it's perfect for both solo sips and group gatherings. It also includes a fold-away frother for cappuccinos and lattes. Whether you're a morning warrior or all-day sipper, this machine has you covered. With Prime Day savings, it's a steal for serious coffee fans. Upgrade your coffee routine without the coffee shop expense. For compact coffee power, check out the Pods and Grounds single-serve coffee maker. It brews 6 to 24-ounce cups and even fits travel mugs. Perfect for busy mornings. It's small but mighty and K-cup compatible too. With a 56-ounce water reservoir, you'll spend less time refilling. It also has a sleek stone finish that looks great on your counter. The adjustable cup platform prevents splashes and spills. You can make iced coffee, hot brews, or even stronger bold cups. Ideal for dorms, small kitchens, or minimalist setups. The 16-piece cookware set is one of Ninja's top sellers. With never-stick, non-stick coating, it's oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and works on all stovetops. This is a full professional-grade kitchen setup at a Prime Day price. The pieces include everything from saucepans to sauté pans and glass lids. The coating never chips or flakes, even with metal utensils. You can go from stovetop to oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for beginner cooks or experienced chefs looking for quality. It looks high-end and performs even better. Let's talk knives. The never-dull 17-piece knife system includes a built-in sharpener and German stainless steel blades. These knives stay sharp and stylish, and the block looks great in any kitchen. It comes with chef knives, steak knives, utility knives, and more. The built-in sharpener is quick and easy to use. The blades are rust-resistant and precision-engineered. It's everything you need for slicing, dicing, and prep. Ninja has really thought through this set for long-term performance. It's a practical gift, too, for weddings or new homeowners. The Food Processor XL delivers 1,200 peak watts of power and a 12-cup bowl. It chops, slices, purees, and kneads dough with ease, a must-have for meal preppers and home chefs. It includes multiple blades and discs, plus a wide chute for large ingredients. You can prep large batches quickly and consistently. It's great for hummus, pie dough, or veggie slicing. Easy to assemble and clean, it's designed for speed. You'll cut down your prep time in half. This is a food processor that doesn't just look powerful, it is a pleaser and a creative outlet in one. On-the-go smoothies, the Blast Portable Blender is cordless, USB-C rechargeable, and perfect for travel or gym bags. Just blend, sip, and go. It's lightweight and includes a leak-proof lid with a sip spout. The 18-ounce vessel is perfect for personal blends. It has powerful blades that can handle ice and frozen fruit. Great for morning commutes or post-workout shakes. Easy to clean, compact to carry. It's the modern-day smoothie solution, a must-have for busy, health-conscious lifestyles. It's a power deal. The 12-in-1 Smart Double Oven has flex door technology, dual cooking zones, and built-in thermometer. It air fries on the bottom and roasts up top, a huge space saver with elite features. The Smart Finish lets both zones finish at the same time. It's ideal for big families or hosting events. The Flavor Seal technology keeps flavors separate. Whether you're baking cookies or air frying wings, it's got you. With stainless steel finish, it looks premium, and the features are next-level convenient. For countertop efficiency, the digital air fry oven combines 8 functions with a flip-up design for saving space. It's perfect for apartments or small kitchens. The XL capacity handles full meals. It preheats quickly and cooks evenly. You can toast, air fry, roast, and bake. The flip-up feature makes it easy to store. It's energy efficient and versatile. Great for minimalists or busy professionals. Outdoor chefs, check out the Woodfire Pro Outdoor Grill. It's a 7-in-1 grill, smoker, and air fryer, weather-resistant and powered by Ninja's Woodfire tech. You get authentic barbecue flavor without charcoal mess. Built-in thermometer ensures perfect doneness. It's durable and easy to clean. You can roast, dehydrate, broil, or bake. It's great for balconies, patios, or camping. A total grilling game changer. Looking for stylish cookware? The Ceramic Pro 14-piece set is nonstick, PTFE-free, and oven-safe. Plus, that midnight blue color is stunning. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The ceramic coating is toxin-free, glass lids lock in moisture and heat. It's easy to clean and looks designer-level. Great for gifting or home makeovers. This is cookware that's functional and fashionable. Last but not least, the Specialty XL single-serve coffee maker. It's pod and ground compatible, has a built-in milk frother, and brews up to 24-ounce mugs, ideal for latte lovers. The large reservoir means fewer refills. The compact design saves space. Built for variety and convenience, you can switch from espresso style to bold brew in seconds. Great for offices or cozy kitchens. A total barista experience at home. And there you have it, the 15 best Prime Day deals on Ninja kitchen products you need to check out right now. These are limited time offers, so if you saw something you loved, make sure to hit the links in the description and grab them before they're gone. If you enjoyed this roundup, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart shopping tips, and let me know in the comments which Ninja product is your must-have this year. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs a kitchen upgrade. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!